Purpose of this video is to show you how to join one of the classes if you are having trouble or if your teacher asks you to. So if I am a 7th grader, I'm going to come to the BAM Distance Learning site. Again, sites.google.com/view/BAM Distance Learning. And I'm going to come to my page, my 7th grade page, and I'm going to realize I want to make sure I meet with Miss Hurley and Miss Martin at the class time I was struggling or I needed something. So I could either call this number by dialing this on my phone and putting in a PIN, or if I have my computer, I can click to join the meeting. When I join the meeting, it'll bring me to this page, and it'll say I'll be able to join the meeting. Now, if I click early, it's going to not put me there. But if I click on time, there I am. If I click on time, it will allow me to come. So I'm going to click to join, and I'll join the call when someone lets me in. When Miss Hurley is there, she will let you in. There's a couple of things you should know. Number one, if you don't want to be seen on video, you click this button, and now I can't be seen. Seen, not seen. Seen, not seen. Seen, not seen. All I need to do is click this button and then I am seen. If I want to mute myself because something's going on in the background, I got a dog that's loud, I have a child that's loud, I have a mom that's loud, I'm somewhere where I don't want people to know where I am. This is important to click. If I don't want people to hear me, I click that button. And that means in the call, my microphone is off. They cannot hear me. I don't make any sounds. If I do that and I want to talk, I go back and I click it again. So again, these are the things you're going to want to do when you're there. Sometimes what people like to do is they turn on the captions, and then when people are talking, it will actually write what they're saying across the screen. This is a really good platform. Make sure that you pay attention if your camera is on or off. Make sure you pay attention if your microphone is on or off. We want to see you there, but we also want to make sure that you're creating the environment that we need for everyone to learn. If you have any questions, reach out. Happy learning.